In terms of gross written premium, the year 2022, as he has said, you'll always see our. When you see Directline on TV, the app that we are launching today is easy to use, convenient, effective, and user-friendly. It's an app that is going to expand time from the 8 to 5 working parameters to 24/7, 365 days. It's an app that is going to expand our locations from 24 branches to locations of 3,800 agents who are currently in our books. So this is an app that is going to, in our view, increase insurance uptake and by effect, increase also the insurance penetration in the country.